Hello everyone, welcome back with Revit basic tutorial how to trim between two lines. In here I will open with the architectural template, and now I will create a simple sketch with model lines. You can click these icons, model line, and in here I will use this tools line. We create two lines once, and then next I will create stuff from this point into here. Now how to trim these line objects. You can use trim commands. You can click modify in here and click this tools, trim or extend multiple elements. You can click. The next I will select for cutting objects. I will select this object, and then I will cut this object by clicking at this point. So it will be automatically cut. Okay. The next I will cut this line objects. You can use this tool. I will select for cutting objects in here, and if you want to cut at these lines, you can select in the bottom here, so it will be automatically cut. You can press Escape button to close. Okay, that's it, how to trim between two lines in Revit. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.